What's that sound? That's so stressful. Lola? Oh, we're so alike. Lola, it's time for school.
School? Okay.
You're too slimy for her.
Pop it. Pop it. Don't worry, I've got your back.
No! You have to wake up! It's your first day at school!
Oh yeah, it's my first day at school!
Your time has passed! These streets need a new hero!
Slime? Puppet? My super toys, I almost forgot you! Wow! It's your first day at school! Yes, I'm a little bit worried. Wow, so many toys? Are you sure you're in a high school?
Don't listen to her!
Let's go to class!
Hey, take us with you!
Don't forget about us! My sweet toys! Mwah, mwah.
All of them. Look at her. She probably brought her Barbie to school. Huh? Okay, class. Focus. Put it in the box. Now. Hey, where are your manners? Learn to respect your elders.
Blah, blah, blah. Don't use any stress toys in the class. You want a drink?
Chocolate? Hi. Where's my cola? Huh? Oh, wow! How did you do that?
He loves my trick.
She will love my trick better. Oh my god! That's so cool! I'm not going to school anymore.
What's wrong?
The kids are laughing at me.
What made you upset? Poop it?
I'm gonna change my name in the name directory.
Oh, I hate this cafeteria food.
She thinks she's so stretchy, but she didn't see me stretching.
Let's see how much you can stretch. You don't stretch.
I'm so old. I've heard how you dealt with the bullies. Great job.
Thank you. May I have my notebook? I'm late for mass.
What is he writing?
Is that a love letter? I'll be waiting for you tonight near the movie theater.
So, what do you say? No, you have to study. Don't go. Think about your career.
You should go. It will be fun. Yes, I
agree.
Okay, let's go. No!
Have a nice day!
I can't believe
Don't be
it!
sad.
Ta-da! Come on, girl. She got this. She knows her math. Ha!
My task is fully completed.
What a nerd.
Time for a color change, slime woman. Wow, what more can you do?
Ha! Fairy dust is for girls. Whoa!
Let's try this with you, Captain Poppet.
Lola! It's never too late for games, but make sure you clean up after yourself, sweetie.
Don't worry, Mom. I will clean it. So clean. Time for bed. Oh.
Who's laughing now, Slimy? Actually, it's alright. Is it true that you eat poppets for breakfast? Let's show him!
Leave me alone.
Is that cone made of plastic too? Ew, what is this? Don't mess with Captain Puppet! Oh, you showed him! Bravo! What's in your backpack? Puppets and slimes? Don't mess with my girl!
Did you see how I slimed him?
I popped him out.
Oh no!
Yes, I did. Is this yours?
Thank you.
Who's that cute guy?
Relax, he's a good guy.
No, not yet.
It's so stressful. I need a total makeover.
Everything's gonna be alright.
Thank you, guys.
That's our girl.
Yeah.
Lola! Lola! What is this?
No. It's private stuff.
Everything's gonna be fine.
Oh my god! That was a great movie!
Yes, it was awesome.
What's that?
This is slime.
Oh my god, I love slime! Check this out!
Oh, let me try.
Oh my god, yes! What is this? Oh, slime! See you at school! Oh my god! So much fun! Hey, thanks for last night. It was really great.
Thank you, I had a really good time.
What?
Try this stress relief toy.
What is this? Stress release? Wow!
You need to try new tricks.
Yeah. Oh, yeah! Whoa! Guys, let me show you my new trick! Wow! You know, actually you aren't that bad!
Yeah, we make a really cool scene.
Not now.
Oh.
I really need to buy a new computer. Oh, what a nice kitchen. Oh, no. Ah!
Yeah! Yeah!
I've got decay. Decay? Ooh.
I will make some tea instead. Ugh. Ooh. I won!
Goodbye, my friend.
Sky? What's all this Oh. Wow.
Oopsie. Ew. Ugh.
Oh.
What's going on?
No.
That's it. No way. Party time.
Ow.
I'm Boogie Bomb. I won. Stupid chair.
Hey!
What? Ow! Woo! Here! Oh. Time for a little break. Much better. Stupid camera.
This is my job. These celebrities.
What are you gonna do to us?
Don't worry, guys. I will help you. Done.
Yes!
We can run modern games.
Oh, a new game! So guys, what object was your favorite in this video? I know, and it's me. Okay, let's go.